Nude Flasher 2.0 Review 2025 Legit at-home IPL device or scam? Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming all at-home IPL devices provide professional results instantly. The surprising truth is that the Nude Flasher 2.0 is a legitimate device for hair reduction, but results require consistency and patience. The device uses intense pulsed light to target hair follicles, reducing regrowth over time. You won't believe how lightweight and ergonomic it is, making sessions easy to handle. Users report noticeable hair reduction after several weeks of regular use, especially on legs, arms and underarms. However, it's not a laser replacement, and thick or dark hair may need longer treatment. The surprising truth is that skin sensitivity varies, so patch testing is essential to avoid irritation. Safety features like automatic flash cutoffs and skin tone sensors add protection. In conclusion, Nude Flasher 2.0 is a legitimate at-home IPL device. Most people get this wrong by expecting instant salon-level results, but with proper usage and patience, it provides effective hair reduction over time.